Here is the HTML attribute that beginners rarely talk about, but it's very useful when discussing accessibility. It's called tab index. Now imagine you are using a website without a mouse. You are navigating only with your keyboard, right? So you press tab. The focus move from one interactive element to another. Button links, input buttons. This is keyboard navigation. So HTML provides a tab index attribute to control whether an element can receive keyboard focus and in certain cases its order. For example, in the code you can see button tab index is equal to 1, and that was the first button, and in the second one tab index is equal to 2 and the second button. Now the browser can use those values when determining focus order, but here is an important professional tip: don't use positive tab index values unnecessarily. Why? Because manually creating a focus order can become difficult to maintain. If your page change, you may have to update many tab index values. In most situations, it's better to let HTML's natural focus order work. For example, button tag you can use for login, and you can use href for sign up in HTML and sign up. The browser already knows these are interactive element. You usually don't need to force a tab index. So tab index is useful, but it should be used carefully. So what is the tab index? So tab index controls whether an element can receive keyboard focus and can influence its focus order. So accessibility is not only about seeing a website. Users should be able to navigate it with a keyboard too. Thank you.